We're here right now with Nelson Environmental. I got Ty Walcher right here, and we're talking about a couple of the remediation technologies that are working right now for and some of the new things that are coming out. And I'll just let Ty tell us a little bit about what's going on right here.
Sure thing. So we specialize, Seth, in on-site soil decontamination through a traditional method of low-temperature thermal desorption. It's not a new technology. Nelson certainly didn't invent the technology, but we've been operating the equipment for about 17 years now. The Nelson brothers, Daryl and Warren, CEO and COO respectively, have been guiding the company towards growth in Canada, United States, North America in general. We recently opened up an office in France to be able to deploy our technology, and the premise, Seth, is to bring the equipment to site. We're very firm believers in on-site ex situ remediation technologies for contaminated soil. We find that a lot of our customers, both in Canada, the United States, hopefully here in Europe as well as time goes on, are looking for a technology to come to site, do this as a soil decontamination, a one-stop shop type of service to handle hydrocarbon contamination in soil and to have beneficial reuse for the materials that exist on site.
Now, are there particular sites that you found that you just are absolutely the best at? Is it like a former gas station or something like that?
It's a good question, Seth. Gas stations are certainly our target. To be amortizing a very good price to work with our company. We typically look at oil field contaminated sites, commercial industrial type, brownfield sites. We have done the gasoline station type cleanups, and we've actually developed an ambient desorption technology, a smaller version of our unit that can be deployed at a much cheaper price with only a couple of operators to handle BTEXs and volatile hydrocarbons. But more typically, we'll be approaching sites that have 10, 50, 100,000 tons of material. The longer our machines stay on site, the cheaper it really gets for our clients, and we're somewhere in that $60 to $100 per ton sort of range. Very attractive price in our Western Canadian market domestically. Most of our clientele comes from the Canadian oil and gas sector. But as we move forward, and as I mentioned prior, we're looking to move more into Europe. Just opened up an office in France, which my compatriot Gord Britton will be leading up, and we hope to find some work over here as well.
Now, you mentioned this is it's a thermal technology.
Yes, sir.
Is it part bio at all, or is it basically just all heated up?
Again, that's a really good question, Seth. The actual physical treatment of it's actually mid-temperature thermal treatment for us is purely thermal. However, in studies we've done with our treated soil, we found that as this treated soil moves back into the excavation that we're replacing the dirt with, the nature of the heated soil allows for quicker bioremediation naturally. Natural attenuation in a specific site can occur within 24 months without any amendments to soil. We've come back to sites for a bit of reclamation work in the past. We found that Mother Nature has moved back in, as it were, and there's no need for additional biotreatment, as it were. Just the thermal properties of the soil allow for that regeneration to happen much more quickly.
I see.
Yeah.
Great. All right. Thank you very much. We'll definitely keep an eye on your technology, and hope you have more success in North America, and hope you can be part of that.
Thank you.
All right.
This treated soil.